next breaking news alert.
And we begin with breaking news out of Pickaway County.
Yeah, that's where an oil spill's caused all sorts of problems for drivers on southbound 23. The road there just reopened. This happened about 1 mile south of Bloomberg in the passing lane. Now, we understand investigators say a semi tried to merge around some slow-moving farm equipment, but ended up slamming right into the back of it. The driver of the semi was taken to the hospital. His arm was hurt. Nobody else was hurt, but there was a fuel leak that tied up traffic until it could all be cleaned up.